Hi, my name's Brian Bowling. Welcome to Jacka. Hi, my name's Brian Bowling. Welcome to the Rocket Ranch. We're excited to be at Opensauce Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I don't know where we're going to be set up. Hey, Future Brian here. We're at booth Z67. Come say hi. We're down to hang out, talk about rockets, talk about fire. Come and find us. We'd love to talk to you, meet you, tell you about our stand. See you there.
Hello, my name is Dave Richardson. I'm the lead fusion welder at Orbit Fab. I'm also the mechanical and test technician here. Working alongside the Rocket Wranglers has been a blast so far. The bulk of my career was in the arts, mainly fabricating and sculpting bronze and tabletop sized monuments, also engineering and fabricating the internal structures for said monuments. Yeah, like I said, super excited for the opportunity and being a part of some rocketry.
All right, take 7. My name is Andrew Janacek Euler. I'm a propulsion engineer. Yes, that's how you say it. I got my start in a super small town in Wyoming called Saratoga, where I got real excited about making trebuchets and building go-karts. Got to work as an automotive mechanic a little while and learned about the NASA internship program right after my first year of college. And also some self-reacting friction stir welding work the next year. So that was super fun, and that set me up to go to Blue Origin and have an internship doing turbo. I would love to build a pump someday. Foreshadowing, maybe, hopefully. And then I ended up at URSA, where I was the thrust vector control actuator RE, and had a lot of fun solving a lot of pain in the neck problems. And now I'm at Orbit Fab, where I make gas stations in space. I'm responsible for our hydrazine refueling system, and I'm tired of not getting to make any fire, so we're gonna make some fire.
Hi, my name is Jackson Holloway. Mechanical engineer, mechanical engineering degree, aerospace concentration. I work here at Orbit Fab as a test engineer, doing testing mechanical and fluid systems. I got my start in engineering, working for an aerospace manufacturer while I was in college as an engineering technician, making large aerospace parts, large aerospace assemblies. Then transitioned into working for the firearms industry, working with energetics there, doing load development and making rifles. Then ended up here at Orbit Fab, working originally for the fluids lab here, testing some of our prototype satellite stuff, validating all the fluid system there. Have some other propulsion experience in college, took some graduate level propulsion classes, designed, built, and tested a hybrid rocket engine. So yeah, ready to continue on, make some more fire. Can't wait for it.
My name is Brett. I have flown solid rockets since I was a kid. Just started with the little Estes models, then worked up to high power rockets. Started making solid propellant in college. Worked with some other students at BYU to start the BYU rocketry team that a couple years ago went and took first place overall at the Spaceport America Cup. During the time I was there, we tried to start a propulsion program, but the university was less than enthusiastic about that. And despite that, before they found out, we were able to fire a M motor safely and successfully. Let's see, then I started a hybrid propulsion team, trying to build a liquid oxygen paraffin hybrid at the university, and that got a little bit of traction, but then COVID hit and we lost whatever steam we had. I learned recently that the group has shifted over to nitrous and has had 5 or 6 successful static firings, as well as the university just launched their first successful hybrid rocket that was a commercial hybrid motor. After school, I went and worked at Ursa Major, and I was the responsible engineer for the Hadley vacuum engine, Hadley in the Void ITV, and I was responsible for the development testing of that engine. So I got to do the first rapid turnaround restarts on Hadley, the first copper chamber on Hadley, and a few other things that were R&D related. After June 23, I worked at ULA for a couple months as a contractor, and then I came here to Orbit Fab, and I've been working on the fluids development lab, where we are able to prove our satellites' modes of operation.
I got my start in rocketry during college at San Diego State University. I did a lot to help Lady Elizabeth get off the ground. That was a methane liquid oxygen powered rocket. That was a lot of fun. Did some boring stuff at Northrop Grumman, moved on to Agile Space Industries, where I was chamber RE for A2200. It's a 500-pound hypergolic engine. That was a lot of fun. Now I'm here at Orbit Fab, trying to make gas stations in space real, in charge of the active side of our grip mechanism.
My social security number is 519-326217.
Is that 10 digits?
So can I clip or would you prefer that I hold it?
Either way, whatever's more comfortable. Well, it's our intro. It's our introductory.